Hi, welcome to this video which will show you how to assemble your new Hygge bicycle. This particular model is the Vesta Step. It's quite a large box and it's fairly heavy, so I'd advise using two people to carry it into position. Obviously I've got mine here. I'm going to carefully unpack it and remove all the packaging. You'll have noticed that I've been using a set of clippers or cutters, side cutters, and just a standard pocket knife, Stanley knife to remove the packaging. Be really careful when you do it that you don't accidentally cut into your new bicycle's paintwork. You need to take great care. Obviously use these safely, cut away from yourself, don't cut towards you. Okay, at this point you need to fold the bicycle out. There's a hinge in the middle. This is a folding bicycle, and in order to give it its shape and finish setting up, we just need to open the bicycle out. Bring the handlebars into position and fold the catch up. Use the palm of your hand firmly to close the clasp. We can put the seat into position now. It's as simple as putting it at the right height, making sure it's in line with the bicycle, and push the quick release over and down. If this is loose, it's as simple as tightening up the nut on the back of this thread. It needs to be firm, but not ridiculously stiff. It just needs to be firm. Okay, and we can test that by trying to turn the seat, and of course if I sit on this and the seat moves down, it's going to need to be a bit tighter. Okay, now we just need to check the rest of the bike over. This bike is built and ready to go, but we do need to check it. So we'll do that now. So let's start at the front of the bicycle. As you can see, you've got plastic caps on the wheel nuts. Those can be removed with a 15mm spanner. We can just make sure that those are tight. I'm going to now check the rest of the bike. There isn't a great deal that should need to be done, but we do need to check. So my light is nice and secure. My quick release handlebars can be adjusted for height. My brakes are in pretty much the right position, but I'm going to adjust them a bit. I'll show you how to do that. Very simple. Just some Allen keys. And on my bike here today, one brake is slightly misaligned to the other. There we go, it's an Allen key. And that just needs, there, tightening up so that it doesn't move when using it under normal operation. Also, my display is slightly misaligned. Again, an Allen key. Just get the right one. I'll put that into the position that's good for me. I'm just going to tighten that up. That's good. My gears are tight. Just check that the grips, yeah, good and tight. That's great. When I unpacked, I removed a box and a booklet. The box has got your charger inside. Keep that nice and safe. And the book has got your instructions for folding and also for charging and operating the electric controls. That's it, you're good to go, ready to ride. You will need one more thing before you set off, of course, and that's your keys. They should be securely attached to the bicycle here at the front. As with all Hygge bicycles, just remove that. There we go. Rather fetching leather key fob and two keys. Keep one of those safe somewhere else. And the key does need to be in order to operate the bike. Turn the power on. Oh, that's a nice looking display. I think we're good to go. So I really do hope that you enjoy your new Hygge bicycle. If you need any further support or have any questions, please do get in touch. The last thing from me is just to say thank you to Spokespeople HQ, who provide SciTech training, for letting us use their workshop to make these videos. Enjoy your ride.